We all make excuses. You see, the trees, they will all grow as high as they can. The creatures will all grow as much as they can because they don't have a choice. The only people who don't grow as much as they can are the humans because they have a choice. And utilizing that choice, they create the loser's limp. Now that loser's limp has to be weeded out from inside like a pile of garbage. You keep your house clean. Do you take your garbage can and dump it into your drawing room? Of course not. Then why do you dump garbage into your head? Once, during the time of the communist bloc, when Europe was divided into the Eastern Bloc and the Western Bloc, one was democratic, one was communist. Germany was also divided into two parts. And there was a wall that ran through Berlin, the Great Wall of Berlin. Once the East Germans, to spite the West Germans, they gathered the most filthy garbage into garbage cans and threw a couple of them over the wall. When the West Germans saw this garbage coming from the East Germans, they were extremely annoyed. How dare they? We will outdo them. We'll get even stinkier garbage and throw it over. But then a wise West German said, no, I'll tell you a better way of handling the situation. On his guidance, they washed the cans completely clean, filled it with the most juicy and succulent fruits and vegetables. Put a label on it, each gives to the other what they have within themselves, and threw it over. Don't you think that was a wonderful strategy? So, we need to throw the garbage out. And in case you have been crippling your growth and the speed of your journey because of the loser's limp, let me tell you a story. Once, a gentleman, he reached the New York metro station to take the 220 to Boston. It was 1:35. He had practically 45 minutes at hand. What to do? What do you do in railway stations? There's a weighing machine, take your weight. He stood on the weighing machine and he put a dime inside. The weighing machine did its cling, clong and flashing wonderful lights to make you think that it's doing some wonderful mechanical feats. And then a ticket popped out with the weight and a little future forecast of your destiny. So he read what had come out. The ticket said, your name is Ramesh Srivastav. Your weight is 153 pounds and you are waiting for the 220 to Boston. He said, I can't believe, what in the world is this? Was this the Apple iPhone face recognition? But then where did the database come from? How did this machine figure out? He was astounded. He stepped off the machine, then he stepped back. Let me try and confuse it. Again he put a dime in. Again the machine did its cling-clong and then popped out a ticket. He read it. The ticket said, your name is still Ramesh Srivastav. You still weigh 153 pounds and you are still waiting for the 220 to Boston. He said, a miracle is happening right here. Some people say miracles don't happen. I have to check this out. He was carrying a change of dress in his carry-on. He took it to the restroom, he switched his dress, and he changed his tie, etc. For the third time he stepped on to the weighing machine. He put the dime in. Again the cling-clong happened and the ticket came out. He read it. It said, "Your name is still Ramesh Srivastav. You still weigh 153 pounds, but you have missed the 220 to Boston." So in case all the excuse making has made you feel you've missed the train of life, there is still hope. And that hope comes from the law of infinite potential.
Join Jagadguru Kripaluji University, now offering BTech in AI, Data Science, FinTech and AI/ML. Pursue BCA in Cybersecurity and Cloud Computing, BDes in Animation and VFX. Secure your future with integrated BBA, MBA in FinTech and Investment Banking. Also offering BSc, MSc in Applied Microbiology, Yogic Sciences and BNYS. Apply now at jku.edu.in.